Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look through my 2021 Neutral Stars Planner and how to use it. When you purchase this planner, you'll get 3 planners: a Monday Start Planner, a Sunday Start Planner, and a version with Sunday Start Months and Monday Start Weeks. This planner is in PDF format, so you can use it in any PDF annotation app, but my personal favorite is GoodNotes, so that's what we'll be using today. Here's the planner. To open it, you just want to swipe to the left like you're turning a page. You'll notice that there are tabs on the sides of the planner and buttons running along the bottom. These tabs and buttons are all clickable. To use the tabs, you'll need to make sure your annotation tools are off. Just click on this button in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and your top bar will go from blue to gray. Now you know your tools are off, and your tabs and buttons will be fully functional. If you have your tools on, they won't be clickable. Now that we've covered how to use the tabs, let's take a look at them, starting with our bottom buttons. First, you have title, and this will take you back to the title page. Next, we have index, and this takes you to an index page. All of these buttons are clickable and takes you to a different page in the planner. Here you have your colors. If you click on it, it'll take you to a color palette with all the colors used in the planner and the hex codes you can use to match colors in your planner. You can create pens, highlighters, and text presets to use these colors in your planner. Next up is your 2021 overview. You can click to all the months of the year from this template as well, and your year at a glance. I use this for yearly planning and duplicate it to keep track of birthdays and occasions. By the way, you can duplicate any page in the planner. Just click the Add Page button and click Current Template. Next up, we have a mood tracker. You can color code your moods and track them throughout the year with this template. And then we have meeting notes. Remember, this can be duplicated as many times as you would like. We also have a morning and evening routine template, a password keeper template, a contacts list template, a to-do list template, and a meal plan template. Here we have additional weekly planning pages in an hourly template, a vertical template, and a horizontal template. Next up, we've got our goal planning templates, but we'll look at them in a second, and our extra tabs. These are clickable and a great way to label your extra 4 tabs in the planner. Next, in the bottom bar is the dashboard. You can use this to keep anything you need to keep top of mind or reference regularly. And then we have extra pages, a blank, lined, dotted, and graph. You want to make sure you don't delete any linked pages in a digital planner. An easy way to keep track with these extra pages is just to check the corner. Linked extra pages have a little stop sign in them. You can flip the page and there's an unlinked one beside it. Now we'll look at the tabs on the right. Here you have those goal planning pages from the index we were just looking at. The top tab is the space for your vision board. The next tab is your goals master list. Here you can keep track of 8 goals. The cool thing is you can click on any of the numbered sections and it will take you to a matching goal action planning page. You can define your goal, define your why, how you'll get there, keep track of your progress, as well as define mini goals and deadlines. If you go back to the Goals tab, there is a button for a blank page if you're keeping track of more than 8 goals at a time. You can duplicate this one as many times as you would like. The next tab is our meal planner, and then we've got 4 extra tabs you can use for whatever you would like. Now let's get into the dated portion of your planner. The tabs on your right are labeled January to December, and you can click them to get to that monthly spread. You'll notice tabs on the top of the monthly spreads: a monthly plan, finances, and reflections tab. These tabs are all dated specifically for each month. Let's look at the monthly plan. This is where I plan each month, complete with a space to put down some inspiration, keep track of the month's birthdays and events, what you're working on for the month, your top 3 goals, monthly to-dos, and then a weekly and daily tracker to keep track of weekly or daily actions or habits you're working on. Then we've got our monthly finance tab, and finally, our monthly reflection tab. Let's go back to our monthly spread. You'll notice these tabs on the edge of each week. You can click on those to go to your weekly spread. There's a tab on the right and it'll take you to a dated weekly reflection page. That's right, there's one of these for every single week in the year. To get to your daily pages, you can click on the header of any date in the week. Remember, you can use the tabs at the top to quickly get back to your weekly spread and reflection, as well as the month's plan, finances, and reflection page from any dated page in the planner. This functionality carries throughout the entire dated planner for every month, week, and day of the year. I've also created a matching sticker book for this planner with tons of stickers you can use throughout. You can buy it as a bundle or on their own, and it's also available in an undated version. I really hope this planner helps you focus on the things you want to focus on this year and allows you to stay as stress-free as possible. Happy planning!